Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Blue Chip Algo's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about three new enhancements that we have done to one of our Algo tools. And we will see what are those three important updates. And before we begin discussing about all those three new features, in case if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do subscribe and hit on bell icon. You're going to see a lot of new Algo tool strategies, indicators, and so many other things related to trading, right? So first things first, under Algo tools, we have a bunch of tools hosted, and the first one is Tradebots Web. Tradebots Web is an Algo tool that phenomenally helps option traders who trade in time-based strategies. If you are someone who trades in time-based strategies, or you would like to short straddles or strangles, then this tool will really help you automate end to end, right? It's a 100% automation tool. You can automate all your strategies and give a lot of other rules, conditions, parameters, and the algo trades as per that. And the best thing is this is a web version. You can log in it from your mobile, from anytime, anywhere, any device, and you can simply execute your trades, right? So in this Tradebots web, we have added three new rules, and we are going to talk about those three important updates in this video. The first one is global P&L. Until now, we already have this MTM for each strategy level, stop loss and strategy level target. Again, you can also give it in percentage or points or MTM. For example, you don't want to cross more than 1,000 rupees loss or target, then you can simply give 1,000. Once MTM reaches 1,000 rupees, it will execute as soon as possible, and you will not be getting so much of loss since you are cutting down your losses to 1,000. So this is already there. I mean, this has been there for almost 2 years. Now what we have done is we also have added global P&L. So you can also bundle multiple strategies and then define global target and global loss. Let's say you don't want to cross 1% loss per day and your capital is 15 lakhs. You can simply give 15,000 rupees profit and 15,000 rupees loss and enable this. Just check mark this, it becomes enabled. And once this 15,000 rupees profit or loss is achieved, this algo will exit all the strategies, right? And one point to note here is, in case if global profit or loss is achieved, let us say it was achieved around 11 a.m. After that, whatever strategies that are scheduled to run on that particular day, those strategies also will not run, because that is what the user wants. User says that I already reached my maximum loss, for example, I don't want to get more loss, and so all the running strategies will be exited and all the future strategies will also be cancelled. But in case if someone says no, I want to still run my future strategies, then all you have to do is, there are like two solutions for that. One is come and just uncheck this. If you uncheck this, that means you are basically disabling that. So once you disable the global P&L, then again, of course, you get the message global P&L updated successfully, and then your future strategies also will work. Or the second thing is increase this some 2,000 or 3,000 or 5,000 more, okay, and then again those future strategies will work. But point to note here is, if you want to increase this further, you have to add to the existing one. Let's say global loss is already achieved 15,000 and you want to still run the strategies for that particular day, right? You have to make this above 15,000. Like maybe you have to make it like 17,000, 18,000 or 20,000. But you should not again start from zero. If you put again 2,000 or 3,000, obviously it will not execute the strategies, because that's already been crossed and reached to 15,000 level, right? So make sure that you add extra amount to the existing loss that has been already achieved, right? You don't need to add anything to profit, that's fine, because it hasn't really been touched. But if it is achieved, profit is achieved, and you still want to run future strategies, you have to increase the amount or the value in the global profit column as well, right? And then again, just hit on this button, this, which means that you would really want to enable the feature again. So with the updated values, now it will be enabled. It will take like 5 to 10 seconds, because it has to be updated across your account for all the strategies. And once that's updated, you will get a message like this: global P&L updated successfully, and it will consider the new values, right? So that's about the first update. And then the second update is, you all know that we have a few options available for all strategies. I mean, the top is for today's strategies. Whatever strategies are scheduled to run today, that will be under today's strategies, and whatever strategies you have for all the days of the week, that will be plotted under all strategies, right? And we have add strategy, enable, disable, copy and delete. You can also bulk select and then enable, disable, copy, delete. All these things you can do. Everybody knows that. Now we have added individual copy button as well, so that if you just want to deal with one strategy, or if you just want to copy one strategy, you don't need to select and hit that. You can simply hit this button and it will copy the strategy, right? So it's a minor update, just we have given individual copy icon as well. And then the third and the most important update is about a fail-safe mechanism that we have incorporated. As you all know, we have a lot of fail-safe mechanisms in this application already. Like if you fall short of margin, only one leg is executed, second leg will automatically be exited and come out of the strategy. Or we have backup SL mechanism. So there are a lot of fail-safe mechanisms that we already deployed. To that, we added one more logic recently, which is in case if one leg is executed successfully and second leg is in the pending state, right, for whatever be the reason. During elections we saw that there are some cases where it was in pending order because of some circuit limits or no buyers, no sellers. It could be anything, that your second leg won't be executed. It will either be in the pending state or it could be rejected because of some server issues or broker issues, right? It is quite possible. This is not the margin shortfall, but it could be because of any other reason the second leg is not successful. So in that case, what we are doing is we will wait for 15 seconds. If both legs were not successful after 15 seconds, then we will exit the successful leg also. And if there are any pending orders, we will cancel those pending orders as well for your second leg or for the stop losses, whatever it is, and then we will completely come out of that strategy, right? So this is a very important and a safety measure. It's a precautionary measure that we have taken, but it really helps people who cannot pay attention towards this tool all the time, right? Let's say you are busy in some work and then only one leg has been executed. It might result in a drastic loss for you. Just to avoid situations like that, we have implemented this. After 15 seconds, if it's not successful, I mean both the legs are not successful, then completely we'll get out of that strategy. So this is the third and the most important update, a fail-safe mechanism that we have incorporated. So that's all we have in this video. One is global P&L, second is individual copy button, and the third one is a fail-safe mechanism. And in case if anybody wants to get this tool, you know where to go. Just go to Algo tools and click here, or you have the contact page also. Just WhatsApp us. We'll also drop the details in the description, and we'll help you with all the details required to get this Algo tool. Thank you so much for watching. In case if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do subscribe. You're going to see a lot of other innovative algo tools and strategies in future. And in case if you have questions, you can drop it in the comment section or reach out to us. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.